Easy way to replace brake fluid reservoir in Kawasaki Bajaj RE. First thing to do. Ensure plastic under the reservoir. Before unscrewing the bolts to prevent fluid from spilling on the paint as it can damage it. Unscrew the bolts here and then remove the broken reservoir. Be sure not to spill the fluid. Clean the excess dirt. Next, replace with the new reservoir. Make sure to secure the bolts, not too tight, not to lose. Fill it with 3 or 4 brake fluid up to max gauge. And it's all done. Thanks for watching.